This is a nice one, dude. Feels like it anyway. It's all right. Oh yeah. Nice little toad. What do you think? 3.5? Maybe 4? Another one, same spot. And the storm is coming in. That's what I've been catching them on.
Oh, the sexy one?
Yeah.
I got
Got one? Nice. How were you catching that one? Hitting it off the rocks?
Yep.
It's on now. Holy shoot, dude. This is a giant bass. All right, dude, I just gotta play it cool. It's probably about a 5-6 pound bass. Dude, today's been crazy. Absolutely crazy. Yeah.
Wow.
Holy crap, dude. No phone with us to get a picture of it, but it's a freaking hog. Look at his stomach. Holy crap. Dude, Reagan's got one. Big one. Nice. It's causing wake. Dude, sweet. 2 hogs. You get your pliers, bro? All right, guys, here's the fish I just caught. He's probably about a 5 pound bass. Check out his stomach. She's getting ready to spawn. But here she goes. Sweet.
Missed it.
I was just getting off my bass and Reagan just got a giant on here again. He's trying to redeem himself. I don't know. Oh, I'm gonna probably have to get this one for you, dude. That's a nice one. We are just catching monster after monster. He swallowed it too. Dude, check that out. Look at that, he inhaled that crankbait. Here you go, man. That's a dandy.
You got those pliers?
Yep. Here you go, man. Whew. We're destroying the fish. This is post-storm conditions. The fish aren't supposed to be biting, but we are putting the smack down on them.
Shit stinker.
Yeah, little guy. Oh, a decent one. Holy crap. Oh, that was a nice one. That did not feel like a big one at all. That thing was huge.
Never had my friend Matt say there's only like 2 pounders in here.
Yeah. Dude, that was like, what? That was probably about a 4?
Yeah, that was nice.
It wasn't a giant, but probably shouldn't have tried to flip that one in.
Yeah, I should have brought my net.
Oh well. I went for like a split, 3 or 4 seconds. Dude, that's nice. What?
You getting that?
Oh yeah. What is that?
That, my friend, is a giant hungry gill.
That's a good spot.
Every time in the summer, you hit that white post right next to that willow.
Yeah.
It's a done deal.
You got one on right now. Oh yeah. That's a fish. Killing this jig and your crank. Because it's weird because we're using both slow presentation and fast. Right there?
No, like it's a poke, the actual pole.
Oh, okay.
But it doesn't matter.
Oh,
It's
dude.
right there.
He's on. Dude, these are such healthy fish. Caught 40 bass.
Do you sharpen your hooks?
Yeah.
You really?
Yeah.
How?
I use a file. Got another one on, dude. This is a nicer one. He's running with it. Oh, he's pulling now, dude. That was cool. It's a nice one. It's probably about a 3. He's barely hooked on there, though. Ooh, baby. It's a nice one. Okay. We'll let him go. Nice.
And then
Really?
I was like, hey Nate Herman, I emailed him. I was like, what do I do for the show? He said, I heard you guys manage it. He's like, well, if you want big gills, big bass,
Another one. Oh, the smallest one of the day. That is the smallest one. Did you?
Maybe. I think so.
Yeah, we're keeping all the baby bass so the bigger ones can get even bigger.
Putting them in a bigger lake.
Yep. Here we go. Just change out the trailer to a blue one. Got another fish on. Nice. Heck yeah. Nice 3-pound bass. Yep, nice. Got it on that swaver, dude. Bro, this is a hog. He's foul hooked, that's why.
There you go.
I was like, man, this thing's a beast. Sweet. Caught him on the S-Waver 120. Brand new bait. Just got it this morning.
Make sure I take some out.
You serious?
What?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
This is a decent one. Nice head shaker. Dude, these are just giant bass. This is ridiculous. What do you think this is? Our 50th one over 3 pounds?
Each.
It's ridiculous. These things are healthy. They're getting ready to spawn. Let them go.
Yeah, I'm going right here, sorry.
Nice. This is a big guy. Oh. This is a good. This is a good 4-pounder here. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, guys. This is a good one. This is a good fish. This is a good one. Come here, baby. Yeah. Check that out. Super long. This is probably the male. Nice fish. Go ahead and let this big guy go. Catch me again another day. There he goes. Oh yeah. We going back in?
Yeah.
I just got one, dude. I feel like your name should be Captain too, dude.
Dr. Captain.
Dr. Captain. That's a nice, that's like a white colored one. Oh, baby. This is the last one of the night, guys. We are heading back in. It's been a really successful day. The key was definitely the jig bite and your crankbait. Worked out pretty good. We were fishing post-storm conditions. We got rained on. We're really soaked. We're gonna go get dry and keep a watch out for the next video.